Hello student, today in this video we are going to discuss one of the important topic of chapter gravitation, that is mass and weight. Now first of all, what is mass? So mass is the matter contained in any object. Okay, the mass is matter, amount of matter present in any object. Now we have already done inertia in the previous chapters. So what is inertia? Inertia is the tendency to resist the change in the state of rest or motion. So we can say that the mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Okay, and if inertia is greater, then the mass will also be greater. Now mass remains same everywhere. Okay, whether you go on moon or on earth or any other place of the universe, mass remains same. It does not change from place to place. It means mass is constant. Mass is constant and it is a scalar quantity. Okay, and its unit is kilogram. Now when we talk about weight, now what actually weight is? Now weight is the force. Okay, it is a kind of force with which it is attracted towards the earth. So actually weight is the force applied by the earth on our bodies. Okay, we know the formula of weight, we know the formula of force, that is F equals to ma. Now when we are talking regarding in respect of earth, A can be replaced with G. So F is equals to mg. So using this formula, we can calculate the force applied by our body by the earth. Now we are saying that weight is the force, okay, by which earth attracts our body. So we can substitute F with W. So W equals to m into G. It means our weight can be calculated using this formula. W equals to mg. Now as weight is the force by which our body is attracted towards the earth, so its unit will be Newton. Okay, whatever is the unit of force, that will be the unit of this weight. Now next thing is that in which direction this force is applicable. This force is applicable in the downward direction. So weight has both magnitude and direction. So weight is a vector quantity. Okay, now whenever the value of G will be 0, okay, then at that time weight will be 0. So weight can be 0 also. Now next thing is that we know that formula for weight is W equals to mg. Here G is constant, so we can write W is proportional to m. So whenever the mass will increase, then weight will also increase. So these are some basic points related to mass and weight. Now what are the differences between mass and weight? It is a very important question. So the first point is that mass is the amount of matter contained in an object, and weight is the force by which it is attracted towards the earth. Now mass is a scalar quantity and weight is the vector quantity. Now mass cannot be 0. It cannot be 0, but weight can be 0. SI unit of mass is kilogram and the SI unit of weight is Newton. So these are some important differences. Okay, next video will discuss that why the weight of any object on the moon is 1/6 of weight on the earth.